let's start. Today, we will see how to implement picture-in-picture mode in a Flutter Android. First, open the Android folder. And navigate all the way through the package, and open the Android manifest file. Here, in the Activity tag, write these 2 lines. Write support picture-in-picture as true. And write such config changes. Then, we need to integrate the launcher package. To do that, Google pub-dev. Click this link. Search floating package. Click this first link. Go to the installing section. And copy this line. Now, open your Flutter project in Android Studio. Click this terminal button. And paste that line over here. Click Enter. Let the operation be complete. Once that is done, open this pubspec.yaml file. And click this pub-get button. Let the operation be complete. Now the floating package has been installed in our app. Let's look at the main.dart file. These are the imports. Then, in the main function, we create the stateless widget called myApp. This is the myApp stateless widget. In the build function, we create a material app and apply a theme. The home attribute is set to a stateful widget called myHomepage. This is the myHomepage stateful widget. Here we create a state object of this stateful widget, whose name is _myHomepageState. This is _myHomepageState class. Here we will design our app. First, we create an object of the floating class. Then, we create a function called enablePip. Here we will configure what should be the size and orientation of our app, when the app goes into the PiP mode, and when the app is in the normal mode. Here, we decide that, when the app goes into the PiP mode, we will make its orientation landscape. Then, we calculate the size of the Android device upon which this app is running right now. When the app is in normal mode or when the app goes from PiP mode to normal mode, this onLeavePip function gets called. Here we configure the size of our app. Similarly, when the app enters PiP mode, here we configure the size of our app. We name all these configurations as arguments. Finally, we enable the arguments. Now, let's see the UI. In the build function, we have a scaffold widget, upon which we will design other widgets. The appBar attribute is set to the appBar widget, and the title variable is used as the title of the appBar. The body attribute is set to the PiP switcher widget. Here, we have 2 attributes. One is child when disabled. Here we will design the UI of our app when the app is in the normal mode. And second attribute is child when enabled. Here we will design the UI of our app when the app is in the PiP mode. Okay. So in the normal mode, we have a container widget. Inside that, we have an elevated button at the center of the screen. The text on the button is, click to enable PiP mode. When this button is clicked, we call the goToPiP-mode function. And, when the app is in PiP mode, we have a text widget at the center of the screen where the PiP-enabled text is shown. This is the goToPiP-mode function. This is how we enable the PiP mode in our app. Now, let's run the app and see the output. As you can see, we have a button, click to enable PiP mode. I will click the button once. And then, I will put the app in the background. See, the app immediately goes into the PiP mode. Here, our UI has changed. We see a text view at the center of the screen. So that's it. That's how you can implement picture-in-picture mode in a Flutter Android app. Thank you.